Here I have Philips S3026 and let me show you how to remove the back cover and the battery from the following device. So at the very beginning, if it's possible, let's hold down power key for a few seconds, choose power off and tap OK to confirm the whole operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's remove the back cover by using the cavity at the left edge of the device right here. Let's just simply remove the whole thing. And now you have access to your battery. So you can remove your battery by using the cavity at the down edge of the item. Simply use your nail finger one more time and let me remove the whole thing from my device. And that's it. Now if you would like to put it back, let's do it in the same way with the characteristic edge right here. So let's put back the whole battery. Let's close the back cover protection. And let me switch on the device by holding a power key. The Philips is turning on. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Excellent. Now as you can see, the device is ready to use. The soft reset is done. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.